If Local 21 hadn't stepped in, I would have been oblivious to my rights. Without Local 21, I would have been looking for a job still probably about this time.
I'd always been a member of a union. As long as I've worked in California, I was in CNA. And when I became a manager, that would have been the first time I would have felt fairly exposed.
The managers have never been organized in this county because management always got what line staff got. And what happened probably in the past decade was that that wasn't occurring. Line staff were getting more and more benefits, line staff were getting more and more perks, and management was being left out of the loop completely.
Managers in this county, when they were not represented, were targeted for concessions that other represented employees were not, simply because we were not represented and therefore had no voice.
The straw that broke the camel's back was when they targeted unrepresented management at that point in time to take health care decreases, and we were going to be the only ones who were going to have to pay more money. And that's when we reached out to Local 21.
Local 21 has been very professional, and I'm very glad that that's the representative organization of the managers, because they really provide a level of problem solving and also a sort of non-reactive, non-zero-sum, us against them mentality.
Local 21 seems to also pick a large group, but none of whom on their own really can be heard. These might be engineers and we may be nurses, but we're having the same impact.
I'm an Iraqi veteran with 50% rated disability of PTSD. There are certain things that I need accommodations for that I requested that were reasonable but not given. And sure enough, Local 21 stepped in and things changed.
It's been a rough couple years because we came in at a time where the economy went, in the toilet. The good thing is that we have saved many members a lot of money and heartache, their jobs.
I was actually utilizing the union's resources and the representatives, and I was very impressed and I'm very grateful.
I believe that because we are very new on the forefront here, that it's going to take time to actually get where we need to be with the county, for them to understand that we're not here for our own benefit, but that we really want to work with them and that we want to make what's best for our employees, the middle managers, and for the county.
We're not just here to, fatten your paycheck up, we're also here to improve the service here.
We have a lot of work to do.
I support my union.
I support my union.
I support my union.
I support my union.